Hey there YouTube, Darrell Hammond. DarrellHammond.com is my website. You can go there and check it out, but not right now. I want you to stick around and pay close attention to what I'm going to present to you right now. We're going to be talking about Lead Boss Pro. So this is a new product from Chad Bartlett. He is my mentor in the Builder All digital marketing tool forum platform, and this is Builder All. So Builder All is a multi-tool, business tool, marketing tools, everything you would ever need to build a business online. You get a ton of different stuff. You get a website builder, you get the funnel builder, you can actually sell products on here, and there's a marketplace that you can do all your payment collection. Everything's integrated into this one system. You can do WordPress sites on here. There's a chat builder, a webinar builder. You can do e-courses on here, build them and sell these your own learning courses. There's an app builder, there's a directory builder, there's a booking tool. The most important thing is the email marketing mailing boss tool, where you can have all your autoresponder and your email lists and everything all in one platform, and you don't have to pay per subscriber. You get unlimited subscribers. You get professional emails. There's a messenger chatbot for Facebook. There's a share locker. There's social proof pop-up windows tool that you can use for pop-up windows within a website. There's a website bot tool. There's a social auto post app, browser notifications, Instagram autoresponder, Telegram, which is similar to Skype, SMS messaging, CRM, script generator, Builder All Unlimited Magazine Builder. There's a mock-up studio, so you can do your 3D mock-ups for your products on here. You get a 3D photo editor studio. You get animated video sales letter video builder, transparent floating videos, a video wrapper, video tag tool, video funnel builder, design resource, Builder All video hosting. There's all kinds of stuff you can do with this product. It's your all-in-one, one-stop shop for anything you need as a website tool that you would need to build a business online. And so part of this program, of course, is an affiliate program that you're automatically enrolled in once you sign up, so you can promote this product as an affiliate marketer. And so now, affiliate marketer, that's kind of the subject of the day, and what we're going to talk about is Lead Boss Pro. So with Lead Boss Pro, you've got this program that has all these pre-built funnels for you in 25 plus different niches. You get all of the ad campaigns, you get the email sequences, everything's done for you. You don't have to do anything. Plus, there's Lead Boss Pro University, so there's an extensive training program that allows you to learn everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. So you're going to get a whole library of funnels for marketers who want to build a rapid email list fast in 25 plus niches. You're going to get to promote top selling products. So all these funnels are pre-built around the top selling ClickBank products and a bunch of other stuff. You can also sell the funnels as a service. So you can sell these pre-built funnels to local businesses and help them build their customer list. You can easily capture leads in minutes without having to build, design, or write copy. Gone are the days of creating and editing your own funnels, spending countless days researching niches and products, building high-quality lead magnets, spending thousands of dollars on funnel and email software, hiring freelancers and bad virtual assistants that cost you time and hard-earned money, or crafting copy and compelling offers that effectively sell to your target market. You're going to get this all done for you, already built for you. A massive library of funnels with campaigns, lead magnets, funnels, the email sequence, everything. So basically, Lead Boss Pro is an all-in-one program for you. It has all the training you're going to need, plus all the promotional tools that you're going to need to build a successful affiliate marketing business. So the 3-step lead boss framework: capture leads in profitable niches. And like I said, there are 25 plus profitable niches that you can work in and you can select from. And we'll show those to you here in a second on the inside of the platform. These are hand-picked profitable niches to work in, and there are several different ones to choose from. You're going to get custom funnels already built. You get to choose your custom lead capture funnels based on the niche you want to work in. There's no more creating and editing ugly funnels. They're all professionally built funnels by real marketers. There's over 150 custom funnel templates to choose from. You can download the funnel straight into your Builderall account, and that account is free. There's the basic one comes with Lead Boss, so you get to promote products, earn money. You get personal video training and resources. You're going to get proven ad swipes, targeting data, and influencer lists. You're going to get permission and full rights to sell Lead Boss funnels as a service to clients. And you're going to get, as a free bonus, you're going to get to become a better marketer today. You're going to get exclusive training from our expert team, including the Affiliate Club, weekly trainings, and mini courses. So you're going to get hundreds of funnels in dozens of niches. And let's go ahead and jump over and take a look at those inside Lead Boss Pro. So this is the dashboard of Lead Boss Pro. You've got the niches category here. You got the university. This will link you over to Builderall. This, of course, is the community, which gets you over to Facebook. You can choose your funnel. You can turn leads into monthly cash flows. You can sell funnels as a service to clients. And you get to select any of these things, or you can do them all. But I suggest that you just focus on one thing, because man, when I first started into this online world, I was so distracted by everything and everybody. I was watching this and watching that and trying to learn everything, and I certainly wish I would have found a product like this that gave me all the training that I needed in the one industry that probably is the best industry to get into, affiliate marketing. And once you get this business model down, you can build off into other segments of the online business. But for right now, you just need to focus on one thing, and that would be affiliate marketing, because inside that, you're going to learn promotion, you're going to learn sales, you're going to learn email marketing, you're going to learn all the basic foundational skill sets that you need to run a successful business online. So let's take a look real fast at the niches that are available inside Lead Boss Pro. So these are all the different niches that are available. You've got the exercise and fitness, dog training, women's weight loss, digital marketing, make money online, relationships, auto industry, home industry, insurance industry, financial industry, local business, and service providers. And so inside each of these is also multiple products that you can promote. So like inside this one is Yoga Burn, but let's go ahead and go back, because inside the dog training niche, there are 2 products pre-built for you that you can promote. If dog training is not quite your forte, maybe women's weight loss. And as you can see, there are 5 different products inside the women's weight loss, including the Yoga Burn, that are all pre-built for you, ready for you to promote. So the other nice thing about Lead Boss Pro is the extensive training program that's included in this product. And like I said, I certainly wish I would have had access to something like this instead of bouncing around on YouTube trying to figure out this, figure out that, getting distracted in all these different types of online businesses that you can do, and just focusing on one thing: affiliate marketing. So this is Lead Boss University, and you're going to get this inside the product. So Lead Boss University is a 6-week intensive training program, and they're going to be releasing these modules periodically so you can start slow and build up a knowledge base, and you won't get overwhelmed. They'll release these to you slowly so you can effectively learn this affiliate marketing industry. And so in week 1, you're going to get started here, basically an introduction series, and then module 1 is the profitable niche selection. You're going to get all these different videos on how to select a profitable niche. You're going to get module number 2, or finding all the hot offers. And like I said, this product includes a whole bunch of those hot products already pre-built for you. So you'll learn all this stuff. So once you get a good foundation with all these pre-built things, you can go out and start promoting other things, and you can take the knowledge that you learn from this program and scale your business even bigger. So week 2 is module 3, capturing leads using email funnels. And so they go over the different funnels that are available, how to edit them, the 3 things every opt-in page should have, improving your opt-in conversion rate, and basically going over email marketing and giving you an introduction to that. Week number 3, module 4, automated email sequences, the power of email marketing. So basically going over a lot more in depth of what email marketing is and all the skills and knowledge that you should have to learn about email marketing and as it plays a role in affiliate marketing. Week number 4, module 5 is Traffic Vault Part 1. There are several parts to the Traffic Vault, so it's very intensive, talking about all the different areas that you can spend money on traffic. There's stuff covering free traffic, or what they call organic traffic, and then there's also the paid ad section that will teach you how to run paid ads through some of the different venues that are available for paid ads. So you got module 5, 6, 7, 8. As you can see, it's very in-depth in the training that they're going to provide you in traffic. And then module number 6, week number 6, module number 9 is campaign troubleshooting. So they're going to go over all the different things that you could, all the obstacles and troubleshooting things that you can do to fix the campaigns if they end up being something wrong with them. So you're going to get niche and affiliate network issues, landing page issues, email autoresponder issues, traffic issues, conversion issues. They're going to cover a whole plethora of different things that you might face, different problems that might arise. And so they'll help you solve them. And not only that, you're going to get priority support for this product. So you're going to be able to have access to priority support when you sign up for Lead Boss Pro. And if you want to sign up for Lead Boss Pro, there is a link down below in the description. It's called leadboss.affiliatewebsitetools.com. Go to that website, and what you're going to go is you're going to land on this page. You put in your best email address, click here. It's going to send you over to where you can sign up and register for a seat for a free workshop going over this product, showing you the ins and outs, how it works, going into a lot more depth into this product and everything. And so something I didn't cover earlier, which reminds me while I am kind of clicking around here, some of these funnels don't necessarily have the lead magnets as part of this. Some of them you're going to need to have your own lead magnets to be able to use for some of these funnels, from what I understand. And so if you need some lead magnets to help you with your business, if you sign up via the link down below in the description at leadboss.affiliatewebsitetools.com, send me an email. Send me a copy of your receipt. I'll look you up, see that you signed up through me, and what I'll do is I will give you a bunch of lead magnet stuff. I can give you, a whole bunch of different stuff. I've got access to a bunch of PLR products that I'm willing to share with you, because signing into this, you're going to kind of be in my downline, and I'm going to try to help you as best I can to be successful in this industry. So let's get back to what else you're going to get with Lead Boss Pro. So module 10 is in closing and a thank you, and then you have module 11 is bonus case studies. Module 12 was bonus copywriting formulas. You're going to get module 13 is a bonus affiliate club, and then module 14 bonus is a LBU. That's Lead Boss University Facebook group. So you'll be in a community with like-minded and people that are in the same program with you. We can learn from each other and help each other out. And so community is important as you grow your business. So what you do is, like I said, go to leadboss.affiliatewebsitetools.com, sign up for that webinar, get registered for a seat, block out that time to really see what this product is all about, and sign up for it. You're going to appreciate the fact that you did it, because you'll be on your way to building yourself an online business that you can that can carry you into the future. And then you can also build it to a point, and then once you learn all this stuff, what's great is, you can teach your kids, you can teach your friends, and you can help them out. And so that's, a great part about this program is you're going to learn a whole lot of stuff, and you're going to be able to teach other people that stuff as well. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Lead Boss Pro is the product, and you're going to get, like I said, lots of done for you stuff inside this, plus all the training you could ever want for affiliate marketing. And then you're also going to get access to Builderall with all those tools that are available to you to use for your online business. So you're going to get everything you'll need to having a successful online business in affiliate marketing. So go ahead, click that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, because I'm going to be posting some more videos, some how-to stuff about Builderall, how to do certain things inside Builderall that may not be covered in this training, because of course it is primarily set up for Lead Boss Pro. It does teach you a bunch of the stuff inside Builderall, but there's going to be some stuff that's kind of not going to be covered in this, and I'm going to, as I work through things, I'll do videos showing you how to do stuff. And so make sure that you ring that notification bell, and you'll be notified when I post these videos. And so you'll be able to learn from my mistakes, or I'll be able to do all that figuring it out, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Go ahead and click the like button, leave a comment below, let me know how things are going, let me know where you're at in your online venture. I've been doing this for a while, trying to figure it out. It hasn't been easy. You'd think it was the simplest thing, when people say, oh yeah, so I do to promote just this, it isn't as simple as people say. There's a lot of nuances in there, a lot of things that you need to figure out, and this product is going to be a good foundation to get you started in affiliate marketing. So with that, thanks for coming and taking your time and watching this video. Man, I appreciate it. You guys have a wonderful day. My name's Darrell Hammond. I'll see ya.